This is in the Mideast now. At least 2 healthcare workers from New Jersey are among the 20 hospital volunteers trapped in Gaza. One is a plastic surgeon, the other a pharmacist. They say they've been unable to evacuate Gaza. The White House says it's working to bring them home. Eyewitness News reporter Darla Miles here with the latest. Darla?
Sandra, they were on a medical mission trip that was only supposed to last 2 weeks. They arrived with loads of medical supplies and have been providing treatment for the injured since they arrived 2 weeks ago. Now, when they left the States, they said they were confident that they would be able to get in and get out of Gaza because they entered through the Rafah crossing from Egypt. They did not anticipate the crossing would close.
For us, we're working. We're going to continue to work while we're here. That's what we came for.
Traveling to a war zone to provide medical treatment means traveling to a war zone where anything can go wrong at any moment.
As soon as the attack on Rafah came, a lot of the people that worked here went to evacuate their families.
2 medical professionals from New Jersey, Dr. Adam Hamway, a plastic surgeon from Princeton, and pharmacist Hada Abu-Quaik from Passaic County have not been able to evacuate. They're part of a team of nearly 24 Americans on a medical mission trip with a Palestinian American Medical Association, all trapped since the Rafah invasion by Israel in southern Gaza last week.
I did hear from both of them that, they have limited supply, not much food, water, and that they're just not allowed to leave.
Friends and colleagues in New Jersey desperately trying to rally support for U.S. intervention. New Jersey Congressman Bill Pascrell sending this letter to the Israeli ambassador in D.C., saying he needs urgent assistance getting Abu-Quaik home.
As soon as I heard that they were both stuck, I just wanted to help them to get back. I know that if it was me, I would want my friends and family to do everything to try to get me back.
We're really not just hoping to leave, we're hoping someone else comes in to replace us. They're afraid that this hospital is now a target, and once we leave, that they don't want to be anywhere near here.
The doctors say the World Health Organization and the United Nations have been trying to secure safe passage. Still, they're very nervous.
A few days ago, they said they're going to do, they wanted 2 people to be able to go first, and no one wanted to go. They were like, everyone wanted to stay. They didn't want to be the first ones out while everyone else is stuck.
Now, there is still some connectivity, so friends and family members have been hearing from Hamway and Abu-Quaik in chat groups, and they're also posting updates on social media. But no word as to when and how they might be able to return to New Jersey. And again, everyone just wants them home safely.